Okay, this is the Hampton Inn, Leeds, South Dakota. The Samsung 50 NT 678. We have replaced the Samsung logo at startup with the Hampton Inn logo. And after that fades off screen, it's up about 5 seconds. Then the data channel takes over. And it basically puts the TV on to channel 1, which is a Hilton guest channel. The default, if we just press enter on the remote right now, the electronic program guide comes up, but if we arrow left, you notice it highlights around the weather, and if you hit enter on that, you get an extended weather forecast. Then if we arrow down, it highlights the Hampton logo, but we've got under that, if you press on the remote control, a sleep timer. And you can set your sleep timer there, which I've actually done the last 2 nights. Then I'm going to arrow up. Notice I highlight the TV guide, or I'm sorry, TV channel guide again, and I'm going to hit enter, and that will populate with the channel guide. But see the white block at the top? If I arrow all the way to the left, I can actually tune channels and keep the TV guide up on screen. So what you can do is navigate through this. I'll take the volume down. The volume set to come on to the level of 10. It didn't blow me out of the room, and it's set for a maximum of 79. But I can arrow down one channel at a time and look and see what's coming on, or look for what I want to watch. If I want to scroll a page at a time, I use the channel up and down on the remote control, and it'll go a page at a time. See, I can quickly get through the channel guide if I'm looking for something. But if I want to kind of go one channel at a time, again, I use arrow up and down on the remote. Hit enter, and that will tune directly to a channel. And there you go. And I hit enter a second time, it'll actually take me to the channel. If I hit channel list on the remote control, it'll bring the guide back up, and I can use arrows to the right and left and see what's coming on for the next 48 hours. If I hit the home button on the remote control, then it'll actually take me right back to the splash screen. Oops, sorry, I gotta hit the exit button if I'm in the channel guide, and then when I hit the home button, it'll bring me right back up to the splash page. So on the splash page, you've got the weather, and you can enter and get extended weather forecast. You've got the time and date in the lower left, channel guide in the upper right, the guest directory. You just take your phone and scan that. It'll take you right to the Hilton guest, or the Hampton Inn guest directory, and then the sleep timer in the lower right hand corner. Anyhow, Hampton Inn, Leeds, South Dakota. This is an installed Reach server with a link cloud to the EPG, and it's up and running.